Here's another method of making money online for free this 2022. Today, I'll show you how to get paid per click. This is available around the world and totally for free. First of all, let's see if you have everything you need to make this all work. You will need a tablet or a laptop. If none, a computer or smartphone will do. Number 2, you will need access to the internet. It may be a coffee shop, your data connection, or just your internet at home. Number 3, you need to know how to click. Funny, but all of us know this, right? Now that you have these 3, you are good to go. You will be able to pull this off. Also, stay with me until the end of this video because I have a special bonus just for you. I will give you this secret free tool that will automate everything. Before we go further, let me welcome you to the Make Money Online channel, where we will be teaching you the most effective and 100% working up-to-date make money online ideas. Subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there's a new video in this channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below so others will see how this one works for you. Now let's get started. This strategy works globally for anyone and anywhere in the globe. You can start earning money from this program after a few minutes. The best part is, you don't have to sell anything or force your friends to buy anything from you. This is not an affiliate program. It's not even a link or shortening service, and people will not be required to sign up for anything. You don't need to shell out any money to make this work. All you have to do is click and click. This is one of the simplest and easiest ways of making money online automatically, so treat this as a source of passive income on top of your active day job. Here's the idea behind this strategy. Around 300 million people in the world have been using Google as their default and primary browser, including both of us, I'm sure. You have been going to Google for your internet searches, for your entertainment, and even for news. This time, we'll be using the entire web, not just Google. Web.com is a free search engine, just like Google, Bing, Yahoo. The significant difference is that the entire Web.com will pay you for each click. Web.com will pay you around 20 cents for each click or $4 for 20 clicks. This is because Google is a big competitor. Google will not pay you 20 cents, so if I were you, I will make a switch today. Most people are now starting to use Web.com because of this monetary opportunity, instead of Google, which will pay you nothing. They would rather use this new website to earn, so you should act now and take advantage of this cool website. All that is left to do now is to go to entireweb.com. Once you're there, click this button on the upper right to gain access on all the other categories. We have home services, SEO, market affiliate, advertisement markets, and the list goes on. But my advice is to only concentrate on one category to generate money. I will click this one that says affiliate, but don't worry because you are not required to sell anything. Like I said, you will be paid 20 cents per click without convincing other people to buy anything. If you are one of those who search the internet every day, use entireweb.com instead. If you also have other friends and family members who go to google.com every day, you can convince them to try it, and if they use your link, you'll be paid 20 cents for each click you get as well. This is so amazing. Google has been used by around 300 million people every day and night, 24/7, non-stop. If you suggest this to 100 million, you will still be making a huge money out of this without doing any hard work. You will get paid for every click you produce and get paid up to 20 cents for each visitor. The best part is, you'll be able to get a high conversion rate. Again, this is completely free. Just surf the web using entireweb.com and you'll earn. Anyone from any country in the world can join. You can get started within minutes of signing up and you'll be up and running and earning money from your traffic. You will see and observe how it works through the dashboard. For now, let me show you another feature of this website. You will get paid using PayPal and the minimum cash out value is $50. It may seem a lot, but if you are using the website all the time, on a daily basis, this will be easy. Click this Create Account button to sign up for a free account. Fill out some personal details about yourself. Input your first and last name here, then choose your own tracking ID. For example, you can type in words that you like, such as this YouTube channel, Make Money Online, so my tracking ID will be Make Money Only. Then enter your email address here. Once you're done with this, just continue filling in additional information about yourself. Then, here you can fill out your payout method, however you want to be paid. PayPal is not the only option for payment as you can see here. But regardless, if you choose PayPal, you can type in your PayPal email address here, and then they will pay you as soon as you reach the $50 threshold. Click this terms and condition here, and you're done. The sign-up process will not take you more than a minute. Now that you have an account, you can start earning money for each click you will do. This is what the dashboard looks like after logging in. Here are all your campaigns. When you go to Home, here on the left side, you will track your clicks and the amount of money that you have accumulated. Since this is a new account, it will show 0 clicks and no earnings yet. But once we start getting clicks, these stuff here will change and you will see the money you can already withdraw. So in order to start receiving those clicks, you'll need to first obtain your affiliate link, which is right here on the top. This is your special link. You will be paid 20 cents if someone clicks on it. Once you have copied your affiliate link, you can now share it with others to create clicks and earn. You can post your link on your social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. But if you really want to set this up on an autopilot and potentially earn thousands of dollars or get million clicks, you want to see this strategy I'm going to share in a moment. But for now, let me give you this short break to subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you found this informative, please leave a comment below because I really love hearing from you guys. Now let's get back to work. First, open Google Docs and create a blank page so you can create something really quick and make a call to action for your special link that takes them to entireWeb.com. For instance, let's type the following: definitely better than Google. Try this new and free search engine called the entire web. Then I copied my affiliate link right here. It is important that you include your affiliate link so that people can click on it, and I usually say something along the lines of, try it in seconds and see for yourself how it is better than Google. It's completely free and working worldwide. This will attract more people because they will realize right away that they don't need to buy anything, but they don't need to spend any money and they can just try it out for free, and that it only takes seconds, not minutes or hours. You can also create your own call to action and article with your own script, whatever you think will work. In fact, it might work even better. Once you've finished writing your article, head to the File button here and download. After that, select PDF document to save it into your computer. Then take that PDF document to this website called slideshare.net. The best thing is that you can share whatever article you have for free. Therefore, you'll be sharing your Google Documents content with your entire web affiliate link. This way, you can get those clicks on complete autopilot. Everything is automated. People that share articles on this website are getting millions and millions of views. All you need to do is sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here. The sign up process will only take you less than a minute. Once you have signed in, simply click this upload button here. Then click Select Files to upload and select your PDF document. Wait until it loads and then give it a title. For example, I'll type in here, "Definitely free and better than Google," then a little explanation underneath, along with your affiliate link. So now I have a better chance of receiving more clicks. Then select a category from the list and set the privacy to public. Then add tags here. The more tags you add, the more people you will attract. Consider these tags as keywords. Finally, click Publish. Congratulations! You're done with this article. Your link now has a possibility to be viewed by millions of people and see the entire web. You will now get paid 20 cents for every click that you will receive. That's a $4 for every 20 clicks. Then $20 for 100 clicks or $200 for 1,000 clicks. Imagine waking up, then logging in and seeing that you have earned this money for only one day. This amount of clicks are achievable if you have followed the steps correctly. If you want more passive income such as this one, head over to my channel and see more of these income-generating opportunities. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for our regular videos like this one. See you in the next video!